Hallo, ek is Edie. Welkom by my kanaal waar ons als saam doen. Steeds and nog steeds. Which one should you use? What is the difference and does it really matter? Before we look at the ways to use these two words, we first have to clarify one very important thing, and that is the spelling of nog steeds. On the screen, you see the incorrect spelling. Nog steeds should always be two separate words. It should be spelled like this. Nog steeds should never be one word, even though we pronounce it and it really feels like it should be one word. Nog steeds. I am very guilty of this. I find myself more often than not misspelling it and writing it as one word, and there was a long time in my life where I actually thought it should be one word, but it isn't the case. It should be two separate words always. If you look in the Afrikaans dictionary, steeds has several meanings. Can mean as ever before. It happens constantly without interruption, or it happens continuously without fail. But really, when you translate steeds to English, it is usually the word still, and it's not the word that means quiet. It is the one that you'll use in a sentence like, it's still happening, it's still going to be a problem, I still have to work hard, that still. That is the translation for steeds. We'll look at how to use steeds and nog steeds in a moment, but before we do that, I want to explain to you what the word nog means. Nog, simply translated, means more. But the Afrikaans word for more is meer. So most often the translation for more will be meer, but in some cases it will be nog. Ek wil meer hê. I want more. Nog meer is translated as even more. And then we have nog steeds, which means even still. But nog steeds is always translated just as still to the English. So if we have a sentence with nog steeds, the translation in English won't be even still for the most part. It'll just be still. So nog steeds is the more intense version of steeds, but they mean the same thing, just nog steeds has more of a punch. So the sentence example here is, even still, she kept working late every night. And then the Afrikaans, nog steeds het sy aanhou laat werk elke aand. As I've mentioned a moment ago, steeds and nog steeds are basically synonyms. So they can substitute each other in most cases. Let's look at the sentence examples. Ek wil steeds nie rokke dra nie. Or it can be, ek wil nog steeds nie rokke dra nie. The translation to English will be the same in both cases. I still don't want to wear dresses. Steeds or nog steeds, geen antwoord nie. Still, no answer. Steeds or nog steeds, van iets oortuig wees. To still be convinced of something. Dit is steeds, or nog steeds, 'n goeie plan. It is still a good plan. Hy is nog steeds, or steeds, kwaad. He is still angry. Now, in the last one, and most of these cases, if you use nog steeds, it just has a stronger feeling, and it comes across stronger. So, hy is nog steeds kwaad. He is still angry. It just hammers the point home that the guy is still upset about whatever happened. As a one-liner, we usually use nog steeds. I suppose it's not wrong to use steeds, but nog steeds is the one with the intensity. So if you're going to give a one-line answer in English that contains just the word still, then the translation will be nog steeds. Here we have Sunny featuring again. You know, Sunny used to feature in our first grade stories quite a lot. And I think up to third grade, Sunny featured back in the day in all the Afrikaans classes. So Sunny stuck. And it's the first name that comes to mind when I make videos and have dialogue Waar is Sunny? Sunny is in die badkamer. Nog steeds? And then English will be, where is Sunny? Sunny is in the bathroom. Still? Ek gaan môre die res klaarmaak. Dit is nie wat jy gewoonlik doen nie. Nog steeds. And the English will be, I am going to complete the rest tomorrow. That is not what you normally do. Still. Now there you have it, folks. That was steeds and nog steeds. If you have any questions about steeds and nog steeds, please leave them in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video.